Hi friends, how would you feel if you face a frequent interruption, threats, or getting removed while working in a very important task? That is exactly how I felt when I got notice from this Photoshop. Today I'm going to show you how can we fix it. This is a screen pop-up you get when you are using an unlicensed or cracked lab application. But not to worry, we have ways to solve this. So let's try to solve it. Go to Windows. Windows Defender, Firewall, and Advanced Security. Click the inbound rule, new rule, click program, click on next. Here I have to find out the path of the Windows. Okay, so Photoshop. What is the path of this? Go to open file location. Right click. Again, right click and then copy as path. I'm copying the path of this program. Click here, right click and paste it. And remove the double quote. Okay, next, block the connection. Next, again click on next, give a name for so that you can remember. Photoshop, finish it. Again go to Defender and outbound rules and make a new rule. Program, again paste the path, remove the double quote, click on next, block the connection, click on next, again next, give a name, Photoshop, finish it. Hope it will work. Let's close this one. Okay, again let's open Photoshop. Now it is gone. It is not coming. So this is how we can fix this issue. Hope you like it. Please try. If you are facing the same kind of problem, then please do these steps and it will be hopefully solved. Thank you.